Guys, welcome to our channel Mystic Tarot World, and today we are going to do a love reading for Leo. Let's see what's happening in their love life in August 2020. It is a general reading, so please keep that in mind that it's not going to resonate with everyone out there. So just and if you're new to my channel, you can consider subscribing my channel as I do quick readings for all the signs here on my channel. Also bonus readings for all the signs. So yes, what's happening for Aries in August 2020 in their love life? What's happening for Aries in August 2020 in the love life? Okay, the Devil in reverse. Maybe you're dealing with a Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Seven of Pentacles. These are your person's feelings, okay? So just keep that in mind. Again, Pentacles, Nine of Pentacles. Definitely you're dealing with another earth sign, okay? Let's see your feelings. Six of Wands in reverse. Fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sag, or maybe your feelings. Seven of Wands. Two of Cups. And your mutual feelings, the bottom of the deck is Seven of Cups. So yes. So Leo, what's happening here is, I think your person, their focus is not into this relationship. Their focus is on their career. They're charged up about their career. All they're thinking is about their career, their finances, their work, their study, whatever they are doing. And it's not like they are coming from a very poor family. They have to take responsibility of their family. They come from a very good family. But it's just they want to build their own empire. Maybe they are quite charged up about their career, and so they are not wanting to invest into this relationship. Or maybe they think as if they were investing too much into this relationship in the past. In August also, I'm not seeing much changes in this person's behavior, Leo. They're still gonna keep working on their finances. But maybe if they were not investing in this relationship in the past, maybe they will in August, okay, so to some extent. But because the Devil is in reverse, I'm seeing you were your partner was quite passionate, but their passion was sort of toxic, okay, it was becoming toxic, and they are coming out of that. So they have realized that the passion they have for you, they will realize in August that the passion they have for you is out of this world. Like, it has nothing to do with your beauty or how you look, or no sexual things. It is just pure love. So what you're going to experience in August is pure love. But you will also see this person busy in their work. They will not give into as much as they were used doing in the past. Maybe they will balance things out with you, but not in a sense that they will indulge into this relationship. They will keep boundaries where they will work on themselves, their life, their finances, and also they will invest into this relationship. So you're getting my point, what I'm trying to say. The codependency, the toxicity you had in this relationship is going to just melt off, is going to vanish in August, okay? There will be pure love and very genuine feelings of this person. You're going to see how genuine they are and how dedication and devotion they are showing to you in this relationship. On your side, you both might be soulmates, okay? First of all, you might be dealing with a water sign with this card, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I see you both will feel this warmth and pull towards each other, but not in a toxic way. Like this warmth will be sort of quite serene, soul to soul connection, very pure love, okay, is what you're going to witness in August. And your love is just growing day by day, Leo, for this person. No matter how situations how situations are in your relationship, you still are going to your love is still growing for this person by each passing day. Okay, I'm also seeing you might feel at times difficult when you're dealing with this person, or maybe they will be in and out of this relationship, one leg in and one leg out of this relationship. So it might trouble you a little, okay, because they are not committing you, and this might create a lot of stress in your life. Okay, or maybe you have given them so much, you're quite stressed about this, and now you will block your energies for many of you. Okay, so quite conflicting energy because you love this person a lot, let me tell you this. With the Six of Wands in reverse, I think you will stop waiting for this person. You were waiting a lot for this person, let me tell you this, with the Six of Wands. But now you will not wait. But this person is going to come in anyway. Okay. So you will stop waiting and you will focus on yourself and your life. But this person is coming in your life. Okay. With the Seven of Cups, this is the mutual energy, and what I see here is you both are quite confused on where this relationship is going. You both don't know where this relationship is taking you both, where this relationship is going, and it might be stressful for many of you. Okay, both of you are in quite stress about things. They have to work on their finances too, and you are confused because they are not committing to you and not giving you any clarity. With this Six of Swords, you might be dealing with an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. What I see here is Leo. Someone is coming back. Someone is definitely coming back. There is reconciliation happening in August for many of you, and they will leave the toxicity, the anger, the whatever they had in their mind which was not so good about you. They will leave that. They will come out of that toxicity and they will come back. Okay, and this time it is going to be very genuine, and it is going to happen when you start taking off your attention of this person. Okay, you have to focus on your life now, Leo. You have done your part. Now you just have to walk away and do what you want in your life, and you don't have to be yearning for this person, not grieving over this person, and they will come back. Okay, definitely. With this Justice card, I'm definitely seeing you love this person. They will realize they have everything but they don't have you, and they are going to serve you justice. Universe is going to serve justice to you, because I see injustice have been done on your side, so you want justice. Okay, and that is coming your way. Okay, let me see what mutual energies, or let me clarify some cards over here. First, why is this Devil in reverse? What's that about? Why is this Devil in reverse? They are going to test waters. They are not coming rushing in your life. They will first message you and test to see how you're doing and what you feel for this person now, and then they will come full-fledged in your life. Okay, why is this Devil in reverse? Why is this Devil in reverse for Leo? This person, definitely, I think they are now quite determined, and the toxicity and the feeling of not owning this person was not owning their feelings in the past, and now they are coming back with quite confidence that yes, they love you and they are going to accept it. Why is this Seven of Pentacles here? What is this about? Is this about the finances, or is this about giving efforts in this relationship? Yes, I think this person was torn between their responsibilities and you, and they chose to in the past this person was confused on like they thought as if you are a distraction to what they are wanting in their life career wise, and that's why they left. What is this Two of Swords about? I think they want to now balance out things because it is in reverse. I definitely think they want to balance out things with you. Okay, yes, definitely they want to come back. They want to chase you now. They want to give all the attention you deserve. Okay, not what you want but what you deserve. What is the Six of Swords about? Definitely, I think they are going to leave their ego with this Emperor card. They are going to their ego is melting down. You have melted their ego. You have literally melted their ego, and they're coming back. Okay, what is the Seven of Cups about? And you are also leaving your anger. I think when this person comes back, you're going to take them back with, you're just opening your arms and welcoming them back in your life. Universe, definitely now I think universe is clearing out all the confusion you both have about this relationship. What is this justice card about? What justice is going to be served and to whom? Yes, the distress, the heartache, the uncertainty, all is going to go. Just flush, you're going to just flush all the negative things in this relationship and look at the brighter side. What is this Seven of Wands about? Prince of Pentacles. I see you will allow this person to come back and they are just going to rush in, but they are first going to test the water, how you are reacting, and then they are going to rush in because the Prince of Pentacles is here. They are going to offer you something, okay, definitely, and you're going to be receptive and open to their offer. Why is the Six of Wands in reverse? I think when you were waiting for this person, you felt as if they're not going to come back. Maybe you don't know what's happening on their side, and maybe they are dealing with someone else. So this insecurity led you to this situation where you are no longer waiting for this person to come back, but they are going to come back, okay? So don't matter, this doesn't matter anyway. Let's see what advice do we have for Leo for the month of August 2020. I want 2 cards, please. 2 cards, please, for the advice. Perfection. Definitely, I think there is going to be completion. Things are going to fall into place. All the missing, places are going to be filled. You will find answers for everything now. Just wait. Self-worth. You need to realize your self-worth. You need to understand where you need to, create boundaries and set boundaries for this person. Don't let anyone walk over you again, okay? Don't do the same mistake. Just first discover what this person is bringing to the table and then let them in, okay? Because for minority of the people, this person is going to act the same way as they used to in the past. So be aware, okay? What message do we have for Leo? These are my handwritten messages. So I will pull out 5 cards from these. Okay. Strong. I think you need to be quite strong. You don't need to be hopeless or, you need to be strong is what I'm seeing here. Call or text. You might receive call or text from this person. Definitely receiving call or text for someone. Career or job. Maybe your person was focused on career and job, and universe is advising you to focus on yours too. Okay, dreams, maybe you are dreaming about this person, or maybe some of your dreams or wishes are coming true. Compromise, you don't have to compromise, okay? If you don't want this person, your heart says you don't want this person, don't let them in. It's your life, you decide who you want to be with, okay? So this was it. I hope, Leo, you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button, and if you are new to my channel, just have to subscribe my channel and you will receive all the updates. See you in next video, Leo.